Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Iconic Coach presenting this beautiful 2015 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. This truck is in outstanding condition. 30,000 miles. We actually sold this to one of our clients a few years ago and barely drove it and just traded it back into us. See all the seat surfaces, excellent shape, stitching, all of the buttons. Almost looks brand new. Dashboard, non-smoking car, moonroof, no strange pet odors. Back seat as well. Looks like it's probably never been sat in. This is the full size cabin. Four by four. All original. No aftermarket modifications. Driver's door, all the wood, excellent shape. The buttons, trim, steering wheel. Driver's seat too. Amazing. We will start it up for you real quick. Headlights, nice and clear. Brand new battery, 5.7 liter, dealer serviced. Give us a call, 858-382-1319. Once again, it's 858-382-1319. A lot of people prefer these motors compared to the new hybrid V6 powertrains. Thank you so much.